Hey, it's me, Angela Walters from Quilting is My Therapy, and I'm popping in real quick with a teeny tiny video to tell you about a new resource available for quilters that have purchased my rulers. Now, if you remember, back in November, I came out with some brand new rulers for the first time. And to say the response was overwhelming is a bit of an understatement. They went over amazingly well, including Squiggy. Now, I know I'm not supposed to have favorites, especially since the rulers are like my children, but Squiggy kind of has a special place in my heart because he helps you quilt serpentine lines, a design that can be tricky for newer and experienced quilters alike. And now I'm excited to tell you that I finally put together some free downloadable PDFs that will show you how to use Squiggy in different ways. From using the outside of the curve in 3-inch borders, to quilting 2-inch borders, including turning the corner, and quilting a fun all-over design with it. Now you can find all of those on my website, or you can go visit awrulers.com and it will take you directly to it. You can also check out the description box below. Feel free to download them, print them off, keep them next to you while you're quilting, hand them out as Christmas cards, what have you. They're sure to be a great resource. Let me know if you have any questions by leaving them in the comments below. Happy quilting!